We had a relaxing day today at the beach, in the pool. We sat in the shade because it was nice.
Because I'm Irish. And a shout out to Candy. She said I should talk more.
Yes, Candy's Stephanie's taking Candy's place because Candy couldn't come with me. So this is Stephanie from New York, right?
Ginger on the Go.
Ginger on the Go, yes. Yep, but she's from New York, but it's Ginger on the Go is her travel account. So check her out. But we're gonna go to Albufeira, Old Town and New Town. It's like a really small place, but there's two towns. Old Town is more family oriented and New Town is more of the youngsters that party, right?
The tourists.
The tourists,
sure.
Okay. So yeah, we're just waiting for our Uber, 4 minutes away. They're actually pretty efficient here with Uber, unlike Lisbon. Lisbon was just like chaotic, but they're pretty good here. 4 minutes away. Hi. Hello. Hey, I know you. Awesome.
Small town, huh?
that we need to go up.
Check out my shoes. Yeah, not a good choice for hiking up a mountain.
They're kind of slippery, so we'll see how it goes. I just love hills. There's the tuk-tuks. We should just get those.
Should we do it?
How much is it? Can we do it?
Is he excited?
I don't know. It seems like...
How much to the top?
€5 each? Damn, that is a lot.
Our Uber was cheaper.
Yeah. €5 each is a bit much, guys. Oh, they're doing it. They're like, nope, we're not gonna walk up that thing. I'm already like dying.
You guys are quarters away. There's the laundry.
Oh yes, there's a outside laundry here. So tired. I mean, I'm actually not doing terrible though. Like I thought it'd be way worse than this. Lisbon is still worse than this.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Almost there. Almost there.
€10.
Yeah, no. Hell no. Yeah. I would have done 5 for both of us, but not each. We did it!
Yay!
Woohoo! We get to the top! Right, yay! We did it!
Now what?
Yeah, we're just tired. I'm good. Thank
We
you,
have to
though.
go to the strip
Yeah.
Or
for drinks.
you can go to my bar.
There's tons of bars.
No, my bar.
Which one
What's
is your bar?
The music box.
Music box?
Yeah, disco bar.
Disco bar. Is it loud?
For now, till 11 is okay.
Just quiet?
Then
Till
it gets
11.
crazy.
Then 11, after when I start,
Yeah.
after is
Okay.
and
Okay. Alright, we'll check it out.
All right,
Now it's
let's go
okay.
adventure.
I have a little bit sunshine also now.
Yeah. And then it gets cold.
It's getting already.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah. True, true. Okay.
Enjoy, yeah?
Thank you.
Obrigada.
Bye. Oh, look at the little choo-choo train. Oh, this is his bar. The music box he was talking about. Choo-choo.